Time now for Rick's Rallies. Heads up play by Northview second baseman Tori Tilley to turn the 4-3 double play. Second base must have been the spot to make Rick's Rallies this week because the Braves' Logan Flack makes a tremendous play there as well. Check this out again. The Terre Haute South second baseman robs the hitter of a base hit, just stretching out far enough to snag the liner. The clutch award this week goes to Ariel Spivey. The South Vermilion senior delivers a walk-off base hit to help the Wildcats beat Edgewood 6-5 and complete a perfect WI season for South Vermilion. Terre Haute North's Nathan Higbee was just money with his putter. Look at the Patriot from the fringe of the green show off some serious touch to drain this long, downhill, difficult birdie. You the man, Nathan Higbee. That does it for this week's edition of Rick's Rallies. Keep hustling and making the plays because you never know when the camera will be on you and you could be part of the next Rick's Rallies.